Hello, this is Scott Rounds with Revival Roofing. We're at a roof repair at Tamara Dennis's at 1117 Trolling Circle in Apopka. I just put a stop to my repair guys. We're having two issues. One issue is that there's a huge discoloration in the colors of the existing roof and the new shingles. The existing roof has a shingle that's been discontinued for over 5 years now. It's a Tamco Mountain Harvest, I think it's called. We tried 3 different colors, and this was the closest we possibly could get, and it's not even close. The other problem is we had to, it was tearing 2 or 3 sheets above the damaged shingle when we were pulling the damaged shingle out. So we really repairing about 2, 3, 4 sheets per one damaged shingle. I have over 80, probably 82 is what I counted, damaged shingles. And the main issue is it's spread out throughout the whole roof. So you can see my yellow marks is all the areas that the shingles are damaged. So we've got these patch marks basically all over the whole roof. It's not in just 1 or 2 concentrated areas. It's literally around the whole roof. So that's definitely not gonna fly with the homeowner or the HOA in this community. So I put a stop on the repair. I'm going to send this in to Allstate, which is their insurance provider, and see if there's a resolution to this, maybe a new roof or something else. But it definitely, in my recommendation, needs to be replaced. This cannot be repaired due to really those 2 particular reasons that I explained to you. So this is kind of what it looks like in 3 areas that we repaired. So please review, and we'll go from there. Thank you.